Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aziz Hakim bin Muhammad Rashidin. My matric number is MA25008. Okay, right now I want to explain about a living room. The interior design philosophy. A simplified layout focus on capturing essential spatial arrangement and traditional Indian functional feature. For geometric modeling, we utilize extrude boss base feature to create a uniform wall, thickness, and floor boundaries. For furniture component like table and shelving area, model as parametric solid to maintain a clean assembly. The zonal space management of this living room, the a central low table and the carpet defined as primary social area that encouraging interaction while maintaining open movement path. Second point, include a significant arch entrance and specific wall opening to enhance both structural integrity and visual appeal. The arrangement prioritizes clear escalation for family gathering and guest reception, reflecting the cultural role of the living space. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Ammar Al Hakim. My matrix number is MA25013. And next, we have the bedroom. The bedroom model is designed as a simple interior layout using SolidWorks. It is focusing on basic furniture arrangement for a functional space. The main item include a bed, carpet, a table, a model using clean rectangle geometry to keep the design easy and parametric. And the bed is placed along the left wall to save space and keep the center area open for movement, with a small raised section to represent the pillow area, and a carpet added as a flat rectangular pad in the center right area to define the main activity zone and improve the realism of the interior. Next, we have the table that position closest to the carpet area so it can function as a practical surface without blocking walking path. Overall, the furniture placement creates a balanced layout that support comfort, clear circulation, and a neat living room arrangement.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashraf Fidas bin Shamsuri. My metric number is MA25060. This project presents a 3D model of a traditional Indian house kitchen, also known as a rasoi, designed using SolidWorks. The main aim of this model is to represent the traditional kitchen layout while keeping design simple and suitable for an engineering-based CAD project. For the kitchen structure, the kitchen is modeled as an enclosed space with uniform wall thickness. The floor and walls are created using basic extrusion features. Openings such as door and windows are added using cut extrude operation. These openings are important because they provide ventilation and natural lighting, which are the key elements in a traditional rasoi. For the cooking area, it is also known as chulha. A dedicated cooking area is included in the design to represent the traditional chulha. This cooking platform is modeled as a raised structure and is placed separately from other areas. The separation reflects traditional cooking practice, where the cooking zone is clearly defined for safety and functionality. For the interior elements, inside the kitchen, several interior elements are modeled, such as wood tables, shelf, cabinets, and sittings. These components support daily kitchen activities like food preparation and storage. The layout is arranged to provide enough space for movement and safe working around the cooking area. Lastly, for the design consideration, the overall layout focuses on functionality and ease of use. Simple geometric shapes are used so that the model can be easily modified using parametric design. Basic ergonomy and workflow consideration are applied to ensure the kitchen space is practical and organized.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Akmal Hazim bin Anwar. For this part of the presentation, I will explain the outdoor toilet component of our Indian traditional house CAD project. This toilet is designed as a separate structure from the main house, which reflects traditional estate housing practices. The purpose of this design is to improve hygiene, ventilation, and practicality while maintaining cultural relevance. The toilet structure is modeled using SolidWorks with a simple rectangular form. The walls and floor are created using extruded boss base features with uniform thickness to ensure the model remains parametric and easy to modify. A slope roof is added to protect the structure from rain and heat, matching the traditional architectural style of the house. At the front, a door opening is included to allow access and natural ventilation. The door is modeled as a separate part and assembled with the main structure to demonstrate basic assembly techniques. The door is shown in an open position so the interior layout can be clearly seen. Inside the toilet, a squat toilet pan is placed at the center of the floor. This type of toilet is commonly used in traditional and rural areas. The toilet pan is created using simple sketch, extruded and cut extruded features, focusing on functionality rather than complex detailing. Overall, this outdoor toilet modeling demonstrates the application of basic SolidWorks modeling techniques while preserving traditional design concept. It also completes the house layout by showing a realistic and practically sanitation facility. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ani Ashraf bin Aziz. The metric number is MA25007. And today, I'm gonna explain to you about the part that I'm doing, which is roof. So here I state briefly a bit detail about the roof, but I'm not gonna read that. So first part, I'm gonna talk about how do I do the roof. It's basically just simple as it looks, because I'm just doing sketch with the starting with the triangle, because it's way more simpler than you want to do by the side of the roof. Just do the triangle and then just extrude boss base in which is I calculate the length of the extrude in 14500 mm if I'm not mistaken, and the length of the roof, the triangle, the base one is about 13500 millimeter. That's the measurement, and it's also has been added on with what we call it a furnace hole for the kitchen part to where the ashes come out. So I use the appearance color of brick. There's available at Stones, and which is can be referred with the reference I include in the introductions. Okay, next moving on to the assembly parts, which is I'm just gonna explain how do I do it. There's already the notes that I already briefed. So basically, we already divided our tasks to do one do the living room, one do the kitchens, and one do the 2 bedrooms, and I do the roof, and also another one do the outdoor toilets. As you can see in the image down here, and then also on the left, it's quite hard, and it's not quite hard, it's pretty hard, which is everyone give me a different measurement. Which is our mistakes. It's not stated the fixed measurements, which is I need to fix all of the parts into one particular that can be managed to assemble. It will not look like a. Before this, the room part is a bit gigantic, and the living room is a bit like a mini and like ant size. So I fix that, and also I do the mates, which is with the under the floor, the side walls with the side walls, and also the roof. as I show like that. Also, the particular outdoor toilets is aligned with the house and also at outside of the house. So which is it resembles how the Indian traditional house looks like on specifically on the estates. So that's all from us.